Hi, my dear students, computer science students. This video is meant for you. I'm getting so many requisitions from your side. So, computer science पे कुछ प्रोजेक्ट हमें शेयर कीजिए, डेमो दीजिए. तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आज से तुम्हारे लिए मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट एक वीडियो पे शेयर कर रहा हूँ. उम्मीद करता हूँ ये तुम्हारी अभी कमिंग एग्जामिनेशन में हेल्पफुल होंगे. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ दिस इज द कवर पेज. And this is a sample project done by one of my students. I'm just showing the cover page. This project is on school management, okay? So this is the first page and you have to write at the bottom of the page your name, your roll number, your class, section and from which school you are actually appearing for the board exam, okay? Next page, this is second page, cover page followed by this page. This is the certificate page. You have to mention your name and this is the format. You can have a glance of this and your teacher should be undersigned it and his or her signature should be there at the bottom of the page. This is the certificate page. It should be included there. Then the third one, this is the acknowledgement page. Okay, acknowledgement page means you have to show your gratitude, the sense of thank and gratitude to your computer science department teacher or might be your classmates. Whosoever he may be, जिनसे भी आपने हेल्प लिए उनको एक्नॉलेज करने होते हैं. दिस इज अनदर फॉर्मेट. एंड नाउ आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द प्रीरिक्विसाइट पेज. Prerequisite means the requirement, the thing which you require, and it is mentioned clearly here what type of system you require and what are the necessary files required for this. And here in this case, Python and MySQL should be installed and connected. It should be connected in between. Actually, this project, it is using MySQL with the connector process. And because of that, these things are highly required. And these are the sample code. You can see, you must have a glance of this. Your MySQL database should be described as shown below. And this is for your demonstration purpose only. Okay. You should have SQL connector. You have to connect MySQL with your Python. Actually, you are using Python as an interface. Okay. Then this is the working description. Means what is your goal and what is the program ethics? What are the things you have planned? Here in this case, you have 4 options, 4 menus. It's a menu-oriented program. 4 options are given: student management, employee management, exam management, and 4th option is exit option. Actually for a school, student is the main core thing. Employee management means the associated faculties and administrative staffs. स्कूल में जो भी अलग अलग पोजीशंस के जो स्टाफ होते हैं. एग्जाम मैनेजमेंट मतलब इसमें वो भी बताया जा रहा है कि एग्जाम के सारे प्रोसेस को कैसे मैनेज किया जाता है स्कूल में. और लास्ट में एग्जिट ऑप्शन. ये 4 ऑप्शन इसमें दिए गए हैं. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट के डेटाबेस को मैनेज करना है, फिर एम्प्लॉय की डेटाबेस, एग्जाम मैनेजमेंट एंड एग्जिट. ओके, देन दिस इज योर सोर्स कोड एंड this is the beginning of the source code and you can have a glance of this. मैंने वीडियो अच्छी तरह शेयर कर रहा हूँ, आपको एम्पल टाइम दे रहा हूँ. इवन यू कैन हैव अ स्क्रीनशॉट. आप इस बेस पे अपना प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप भी कर सकते हो. और दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ द सोर्स कोड जिसमें MySQL कनेक्टर को हमने इंपोर्ट करा एंड देन ऑल द डेफिनेशन पार्ट. एंड ये सारी चीजें इतना शॉर्ट स्पैन में एक्सप्लेन करना टफ है. दैट्स वाई मैं इसे आपसे शेयर कर जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेज. ओके, देन फॉलोड बाय द सेकंड पेज. एंड यू मस्ट always think of that this page should be the written one. It should be the overlap should be written as blank, since it should be very clear and you should do the work in a very tidy manner. So this is the second page. This is the programming code. Then followed by the third one. Yes, have a glance. I am just trying to give you a good look of this project. Okay, you just have a glance. You can have a screenshot. Even you can pause your video in between to have a clear glance of this. You can write it down. Okay, then this is followed by the next page. This is the definition part. One insert function is defined here. These are all display function is also defined. Okay, in between certain commands are there, insert into as used. And these are the things very common. If you are a Python user, you know these are all very common SQL commands. Okay, next, followed by another page. Okay, have a good look of this. Yes, I am just trying to give you the better look of this. Have a glance of this. Okay, then the next one. Okay, similarly, delete function is defined here, and insert 2 is defined here, and have a glance, have a good look of it. Okay, I'm printing. I think this print is very good as far as clarity is concerned. Very distinct and good printing quality I've used here, and I think it will be beneficial for you. Okay, next page. This is the next page. You must remember a standard project must be having at least 600 to 700 lines, and you may have more than one student. You may form a group. 2 or 3 students can accommodate in a single group. You can have a project for 2 or 3 students. You can represent that project. Okay, if it's a really tough one, even you can extend up to 4 students. Okay, but in that case, that project should be a good one, a good quality project. Okay, next one. Okay, you just have a glance, have a good look of it. Okay, yes. Next, another page. This is nothing but SQL, MySQL with Python using connector. Okay, very important command we have used here, commit. Okay, insert 3 function. Next, execute command is also used there. This is the next one. Okay, have a good glance of this. Okay, I think it's clear for you. And okay, next one. Okay, this is another page. Don't miss out. Concentrate here, over here. I think the printing quality is visible, very much visible to you, very clear, and visibility is very good, I think. Okay, next one. This is the last page. Okay, enter admission number to be. This is the ending of the source code. Okay, selection is a defined function here, and we have closed the file. That is the closed we have used. Okay, next. These are the sample input and output screens. You must include some input output screens at the end of the project, since you know that this is the thing. Actually, through this you can designate your project is actually running properly and is executing. Because of that, you are getting this input and output. I'm just giving you a glance of this. Okay, these are all removal of records after execution. This command student table is a look of these are all piece of outputs. Employee management, new employees. These are all several different type of output formations, updations, delayed after executing these commands. And this is the shape, how it looks. Okay, it designates, it proves that your project is executing properly and your program is as per your requirement. You have achieved your goal. Okay, this is the new entry, this is update entry, this is delete entry. Have a glance. This is only for your idea. I'm just giving an idea how a project looks like. It should be like this. These are all sample input output entries. These are all screenshots. Okay. Okay, this is the last one. This is the last, this is the last option, exit option. We have used different options. This is the last one, exit. Okay. And this is a piece of output. This is the end of the project. Okay, guys, students, hopefully it will be beneficial for you. Okay, see you again with another project. Bye-bye. Best of luck.